Hello students, today's point of discussion is efficiency of heat engine. Now remember about engine, we must say that the better engines have the greater efficiencies. So what exactly the efficiency of heat engine is? It is the fraction of heat absorbed by the engine which it can convert into work gives the efficiency. So what is efficiency? It is the fraction of heat absorbed, fraction of heat absorbed by the engine which it can convert, into work gives the efficiency of heat engine. This is most important thing. So if we supply certain amount of heat, so on account of which the whatever work is done, then that decides the efficiency of engine. So efficiency of engine can be given as efficiency is equal to work done upon Q2. So Q2 is the amount of heat supplied and on account of which W is the work done. So this can further be given as T2 minus T1 upon T2. So remember, we are supplying the certain amount of heat at certain temperature, say T1. So the final temperature has become T2. Now remember, greater the difference between T2 and T1, greater will be the efficiency. So from this we know very well that T1 will be something. Therefore T2 minus T1 by T2 is always less than what? 1. Since T2 minus T1 upon T2 is always less than 1. So efficiency of engine is always less than what? 1. So efficiency of heat engine is less than 1. Now remember, greater the difference between the source and what? Sink, greater will be the efficiency. But mathematically remember, if T1 is 0, this is very important thing, mathematically when T1 is 0, then efficiency will be equals to 1. And it is hardly to know this information, but as per the mathematical calculation we can say this thing. Now very important thing is greater this difference, I mean difference between the source and the sink. So remember, greater the difference of heat between or temperature between source and sink, then greater will be the efficiency of heat engine. This is very important thing to be noted. And we know very well that the net heat absorbed by the system, remember, so what? Net heat absorbed by the system, is given as Q is equal to Q2 minus Q1. And according to first law of thermodynamics, W is equal to what? Q2 minus Q1. So in this case, if we put Q2 minus Q1 instead of W, then we can write Q2 minus Q1 upon Q2 is equal to what? T2 minus T1 upon T2, and which subsequently equals to what? Efficiency of engine. This is very important thing. Now from this, Carnot suggested a simple thing. I mean, Carnot compared two different heat engines in identical conditions, remember. So what he come to know, that if the periodic machine is working in reversible manner between same two temperature, then their efficiency is said to be same. So this gives what? Carnot theorem. Carnot theorem. So what Carnot theorem is exactly? Remember, all periodic machines working reversibly between the same two temperature. If we compare two different machines or more than two, those are if working between same two temperatures, then it is said that their efficiencies must be same, and that gives what? Carnot theorem. So this was the efficiency of heat engine. Thank you very much.